On the command post screen, press the Alt-Off icon plus the vertical brushes icon until the vertical brushes of the rollover meet in the center. Next, we will press Alt-Off again, followed by the horizontal brush button until the drying nozzle and the horizontal brush are in their lowest position. We block the rollover by pressing the emergency button. Moving the straps aside with one hand, we will spray chain oil on both sides of the guide, on the horizontal brush guides, drying nozzle, and vertical brushes. To finish, we release the emergency, press the start or reset button, and click on the icons of the vertical brushes and horizontal brush to place all the brushes in their initial position.